Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, all. Welcome to this session. So, just check my screen first. Okay. So, today is the last session of the Tally itself. And today we will check the MIS reports available in Tally. MIS stands, that is the Management Information Report. And Management Information Report, whatever the informations regarding the key insights of your accounting system or whatever you followed, like you have followed the accounting system, you followed the inventory system, you followed the taxation system, or you followed the payroll system, or all are the integrated system. So what are the important reports which you have to present in front of your management? So that known as a MIS, that is the Management Information Reports. So let me share the first screen first of the Tally. This is the Tally screen. We are going to start one. It is already created. That is the GST. Okay. So these are the, these are the very important reports. For example, in a gateway of Tally, you can find here the balance sheet, P&L, stock summary, ratio analysis. Anytime, whenever you want to see the report, you have to only press enter. For example, you want to check the ratio analysis, press enter. You want in a detail mode, Alt F1. Okay, but here it is already in a detail mode. So now this report, like for example, you want current ratio, how it calculate the current ratio. So in a Tally, drill down is a very easy, just press enter. Then it will show you the current assets and current liability. Current assets and current liability, because it's definitely the current ratio is calculated on the current assets and the current liability. Presently, your current liability is 14. You can check, cross check here, like 14, 1479 350. 350 divided by, this is your current assets, 44, 84, 350. Okay, so this is 1:, see, here is 3.03 is to 1. Current assets is to current liability. So how much current assets is? Current assets is current liabilities third time. Okay, so you can calculate here the current assets divided current liability divided by the current assets. So you will get the ratio. Then quick ratio. So these are the things which is very easiest in the Tally. Automatically it calculate your ratios. All the ratios are calculated here. And you can cross check is because in a Tally, the embedded calculation control is a very up to the mark. What is the meaning of the embedded calculation? Calculation automatically performed by the Tally itself. That we can check in the calculator. We checked current assets divided by current liability divided by the current assets. Okay. Now the next. Now this report you want to present in the form of Excel or in the form of PDF, and you want to put it in a PowerPoint presentation. For example, this is PowerPoint presentation. This is your PowerPoint presentation. Okay. And here you want to present like the financial statements. Okay. Financial statements. Then out of that, first is a profit ratio analysis. You are presenting here the ratio analysis. Analysis. Okay, so there is a way to present the ratio analysis. Either you can insert the screenshot from here, insert screenshot, then here you can insert the screenshot. Here you can insert the screenshot. This is a screenshot, or you can cut here, and then in the next slide you should place it. Okay, this is your screenshot. Or there is a way you can insert directly the PDF file here, whatever you inserted here, or you can link it. For example, suppose you export from the Tele, Alt E, that is a shortcut key for the export, current, and you want to export in a form of PDF. So by default, it is the exported in the tele.xlsx, but you want it should be in the PDF format. So file format, and then there is an option of PDF. Okay, then digital signature is not available. And now you want to export it in a C:/online batch. Enter. Okay, then enter. And Control A. Now you want to make here the name is ratio analysis. Ratio analysis report. Report. Okay, enter. Now Control A, export. Now your report is exported. Here is your report. In a PDF format, it is a report. Now on the presentation, this is your presentation. You can insert a one button here. You can insert a one button here. Insert, then you can insert a one button here. For example, I am inserting the button. Here is a button, action button. Okay. And then I can link here, hyperlink to which file you want to hyperlink. So here is an option. Here is a option. Then other file. And C:/online batch. Enter. Then ratio analysis. Okay. Now, when you present the report, presentation, now when you provide the presentation, then you can click here. Then it will open that report. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Hello? Please answer, Prita. How I inserted the button, how I hyperlink the ratio analysis. Please concentrate on the session. We will talk about the assignments. Concentrate on the session, please. Concentrate on the session, please. Is it clear how I inserted the button and how I hyperlink to that button? Repeat it again. Okay. Now see, suppose, first of all, you export here from here. I'm sure the export is clear. How I exported it? Export. Current. And I exported in the PDF format. So I should configure, because by default it is not exported in the PDF format. So you are from here, you can export in the PDF format. You should set in the PDF format. Then where you want to export, just set the location. Specify the path or select from the drive. See, then online batch. Okay, then enter. And now you want to, this is the tele.pdf. Okay, now Control A, it exported the tele.pdf. Now you want, it should be linked to the PowerPoint presentation. In a PowerPoint presentation, just take from here, insert action buttons. Here is a shapes. In a shapes, there are the option of action button. Okay, just take any action button. Just take any action button. And then whenever you insert here, then it will open the action setting. Then hyperlink to. Then here is an option of other file. And then select the C:/online batch. Then tele.pdf. Enter. And okay. Now you can right click. You can insert the text here also. Click here. Now, suppose I am presenting this presentation in front of the management. So now click here. When I click here, it will open directly the tally.pdf. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Instead of that, you can set here, you can press here the Alt E, then current. Then there are lots of formats. See, instead of PDF, you can export it in the HTML format, Excel format, ASCII format. For example, you want to analysis in the Excel also. So Excel, and then specify the path, C:/online, enter, and tally.xlsx, Control A, then export. Now you can check it exported in the Excel. So same thing, same link you can use for the Excel file also in a PowerPoint. Now here, see, here is a working capital, current ratio, all the things are there. Now you can check now. What is your working capital? What is your current ratio? You can check by calculating the formula, because every formula you know, na? Formulas are already we covered. Okay, now next. So Alt T for export. In which format? No matter. And in a PowerPoint, you can link through the button. Because see, it intentionally in the first session, like MS Office session, I didn't cover this feature, button and link, because I know, like, because in the case of MIS, you want to present the information report in front of management, then in that case you have to create a presentation. Then there is an option of stock summary. Stock summary also. Same, Alt E, export. Either in a Excel format or in a PDF or in a HTML or the JSON format. Then profit and loss. Alt F1 for detail. Even now, export, I'm sure understood the export. Everybody got the export option. Even now, here, this is the 1st April to 1st July. Okay, 1st April to 1st July. Suppose I open a one company, another company in which like I am having the 2 or 3 years data. Okay, see. F2. I should check the day book. 1st 4, 2005, 31st 3, 2026. Okay, now I'm having the data. Okay, for example, suppose I'm having the data of the 25-26. Now, what should I do? Here is an option of in a stock summary. Suppose you are having the stock summary. Okay, stock summary is not having. So profit and loss account. The next company. In a profit and loss account, I want the profit and loss account should be for the April to March. Only April to, May. Or May to June. So here is an option of Control N. Control Alt N. Auto column. You want monthly column, all 12 columns. See, this is very much useful for the comparison purpose. Like, see, sales account is in May, but it is not in August. No sale is there. August, no sale is there. Now, when I press escape and then escape, again, I need to press the Control N, Alter N, sorry. So instead of that, I can save it. When I press Alter N, monthly, now you can save the view. Save the view. Okay, 12 months profit and loss account. P&L. Now escape, then enter. Now you want 12 months profit and loss account, then here is a change view. 12 months P&L. See, by default, so many views are there. Faridabad P&L, we already created here, and default is also there. So you can save the views also. I already gave you the understanding, but because of the last day, and then I want the important option should be revised. Is it? Now the next is F12 is a configuration. Now you want percentage also. Then you want format of the report is detailed, but vertical profit and loss. Then control A. See, this is the vertical profit and loss. And the percentages also. And you can save the view. Right? Now the next is display more reports. Trial balance. This is again a very important report. Trial balance. Even you can apply the filter. We already have seen so many times. I already gave you the understanding of the filter and the multi-filter. Is it? Next, in a trial balance, if you have the budget, then here you can check the variance report also. If we created the budget. Anybody have some doubt? Like if you know how we created the budget. Should I ask you one question? How I created the budget? I told you about the I instruct you in the beginning of the session. We will discuss about the assignment at the end of the session. Around 3 o'clock. Okay. So please don't ask again and again. I gave you the screenshot of the payroll assignment. Is it clear? Now the next is daybook. Alt F2, because see, daybook takes the current date entry. Daybook shows you the current date entry. And by default, we open the payroll example, and at that time, the current date was 30th September 25. So if we want, no, current date should not be the 30th September. To change the current date, press F2. 31st July. What is it? 1st July. So F2 is to change the current date. Okay, but if you want to change the period, then Alt F2. 1st 4, 2025 to 31st 3, 2026. This is for period. Is it? So note down the difference between the F2 and the control F2. What is the difference between the F2 and the control F2, please? F2 and the control F2. What is the difference between F2 and the control F2? Fast, come on, fast, answer me. Fast. F2 and the current control F2. What is the difference between F2 and the current F2? Come on, fast. Answer me. Is it? Nobody knows? No, control F2. Control F is for filter, but Alt F2. I'm asking about the Alt F2, not control F. Control F for filter. See, here is a written. See, here is a written. That is the letter which have the double underline will work with the control F. So control F for filter. And here is a control L for save view. Here is a control J for exception reports. Okay. Then here is a change view in basis of value. Is it? So Alt F2 for, see, if you are finding anywhere from with a key with a single underline, F2 directly, it is for the, F2 is used for the change the date. But Alt F2 is used for the period change. Okay. Alt F2 and F2. Two things are different. Next is the cash flow. This is your cash flow. This is your cash flow. For each and every month, it is showing you. For each and every month, it is showing you. Okay. Quarterly. See, quarterly cash flow is there. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Then fund flow, same thing. But it is application and their fund. Then account books, cash and bank book, then ledgers. Every ledger you can check. For example, purchase return. For example, sales return. For example, telephone expenses. Every ledger. Then group summary. What is the difference between account books and group summary? Group summary means, suppose we have 3 creditors. So I can take the summary of the creditors. See, 3 creditors here. This is the summary. And then F5. Here is a F5 is a ledger wise. F6 is a monthly summary. Okay, then sundry data summary. This is the group wise summary. Then group voucher. A voucher. How many vouchers I passed using the sales account? Is it? Then contra register. We don't have the contra entry. Payment registers. Month wise. Then receipt registers. General debit note, credit note, and voucher clarification. We already learned the verification of vouchers, related party transaction. Related party transaction. Then Forex transaction. In the multi-currency example, I gave you the Forex example. Forex loss and Forex profit. Okay. Then now the next is, suppose you are passing one voucher. Presently it is 1st July. Okay. Now you want to pass the payment voucher, but you want a PD, post dated check. For example, you want F2. This should be 19. Okay. 19. I'm passing the entry of the 19. And presently my date is 17. So I'm passing the entry Charles creditor. Against reference, I'm passing the entry of the payment. Okay, as I pass the entry, it will take reflect in the cash ledger in the correspondence ledger, that is the Charles creditor. But I want this should be the post dated. Because see, 1st July is there and I want to pass the entry for the 1st September. So you can pass here the post dated check. Then see, now the date is 1st July. But if you are not post dated, you are not passing the post dated entry, this is not post dated entry. So this is the not post dated entry. You want to change it. So you should change it. Enter. This is Control T, Control A. Now, what is your date? 1st September. But when you pass the entry for the post dated, this is post dated entry. This is not a current date entry. Control A. Now your date is 1st July. After entering the entry on 1st September, then only it will take reflect. Presently, it will not take reflect. If you want to check, then display more reports, account books, ledger, Charles ledger. See, presently 50,000 is effect is not there. Why? Because this is the post dated entry. You passed it the post dated entry. Is it? Control T is a shortcut key for the post dated and vice versa. Is it clear? Is it clear? Control T is a shortcut key for the post dated entry. Okay. Now the one is again there. Suppose you are passing a one entry. For example, suppose voucher, you are passing a purchase entry. F9 001. Okay. And the date is 2nd July. Party name is Charles. Okay. Now you purchased some items. For example, AC 10. The moment you purchase the items 3,50,000, then definitely the charge balance will be increased. Presently, charge balance is 30. Okay, escape. First of all, you should check the charge balance. Control N, Charles. See? Creditor. I should check the Charles creditor. Okay. So, Charles creditor. What is the balance? 14,10,950. Okay, but I'm purchasing again Charles. Presently, the balance is, it is showing me the 13 lakh. And here it is showing me the 14 lakh. Okay, it is showing me from the 1st April to 1st September. 1st April to 1st September. Now I should change. Editor. Now the balance is 14 lakh because it is showing me the 1st September. Because 1st September I already paid now. So that's why it is showing me this balance. Is it? Now, suppose again I want to enter on 2nd July. Okay, on 2nd September. 2nd September. Charles. Now, I purchased something. For example, I purchased AC 10. So by 3,50,000, it will increase now. The balance will be increased. Is it clear? The balance will be increased. Okay, I'm pressing escape. Don't confuse. Count books, Charles. Ledger, Charles. So what is the balance of the Charles? Charles balance is 13 lakh one that with say see here it is credit balance. It is showing me the credit balance. But I want the net balance is 13 lakh 1,950. Now suppose I purchased by 3 lakh 50,000. Then the balance will be increased. Okay, so let me try for that. Okay, now the balance will be increased. Now the balance is increased. You can check here. Display more reports, account books, ledger. Now the balance is, but you won't know. The balance should not be increased because I want to set it optional. In case of need, then I can make it regular. So just open this voucher and then from here you should set control L. L for optional, control A. Then it will not take reflect in the Charles balance. See, now the balance is not increased because I passed as an optional voucher. I passed as an optional voucher. Okay. So if you want to check the how many optional vouchers are passed in the day book. From the day book, you want to check how many optional vouchers are passed. So F4, there is an option of all items. There is an option of all items. But you want only the optional vouchers. So here it is showing me the optional vouchers. Or apply filter. Look for only one voucher is there. Is it? So what is the meaning of the optional in the post dated, please? I'm waiting for the answer. What is the difference between post dated and optional voucher? I'm waiting for the answer. Answer, please. Come on fast. Is it clear, please? Post dated is a transaction happenings in the future. Okay, yes, very good, Suhas, very good. But being entered now, it will reflect in the balance once that date arrives. Yes, very good. Appreciated, Suhas. And optional is, optional is, optional vouchers are those vouchers which you passed in the accounts books, but you don't want to take reflect in the account books or report. Okay, optional vouchers are those vouchers which you passed. Okay, but it will not take reflect in your account books or financial statements. Is it clear? Okay. So I'm sure post dated and optional voucher is clear. Okay. Okay. See, this is your post dated entry. See, this is your post dated entry. Okay, it will not take reflect because see, presently the date is 1st July. The moment I enter the entry, okay, what is your balance first? You should check. What post dated entry I passed? I passed here the hold tab to 1st September. I passed here the post dated entry, that is payment. Okay, payment, but it is not take reflecting in the cash because it is post dated entry. It is post dated entry. Now the thing is, the moment actual date is occur 2nd September. Actual date is occur. Okay. Now suppose I made a payment. I have taken a payment from Dennis F6. Dennis paid me 1 lakh rupees. Then cash. Now automatically it will take reflect in the accounts, account books. Display more reports, account books, ledger. See, automatically it will take reflect. There is no need to like change the status. But it will show at the end of the period. You can check what is the entry, which one is the entry which you passed the post dated. Okay. See, this is the post dated entry. You passed on 1st September, but it was the post dated entry. Is it? Is it clear? Post dated entry is clear right now, Rishikesh? You should not change the status of the post dated entry. Only once the date occur, it will automatically take reflect in your account books. You should not change the status, huh? Clear? Okay. No, optional. Bipasa, please make it correct. For optional voucher, it is not there. The date after the date arrives, then it will take reflect. No, optional voucher will not take reflect in any case unless until you don't have set the status regular. Okay. Unless until you don't set the status regular, the optional voucher will not take reflect in the books. But post-dated the voucher will take reflect in the books while the actual date arrives. Is it clear, Vipasa? Is it clear? Please like understood the things, or like you can do the practical now. You can check by doing the practical. Just check it, please. Optional and post-dated voucher. Please check the difference between the option and post-dated vouchers. Right? Should I move for the next? Now next. Now again display more report. We completed this thing. But one of the report which is very important, that is statistics. How many credit notes you have, how many debit notes you have, how many vouchers, receipt voucher you have. This is a very important report, you know. Every day, you should take the printout of this report, so that when you next day check the client's data, then you can check like if the credit note is increased, next day you should cross check it. So you should know, you can come to know like which data entered by the client in absence of. Okay, so this is the report which is very important. You should take the printout of this report every day. Every day, or you can save it now. There is a shortcut key. Not take a, you should not, if you don't want to check the printout, then Alt E and then export it and save it in your pen drive, or like you should send the email. Is it right? Or through the WhatsApp also, it is very easy. Now outstandings, receivable, payable. I already told you about the interest calculation. If any doubt is there, then I can help you regarding this topic. Okay. Then inventory books. These are the very important reports, you know, physical stock register. This is very important. Physical stock register is very important. Okay. Now suppose I'm checking the stock summary. I'm having the stock summary of here is a one negative balance I am having. In the next 1st September negative, it is showing negative. And before that, I should make the purchase here 10, suppose. In the June, okay. So I should of the negative will goes out. Okay, now negative balance is not there. Now the thing is, What is physical stock register? Okay. Suppose I'm checking the stock summary. I'm checking the stock summary and I'm finding here I have 7 SEs. According to the my books, I have 7 SEs. According to the, okay, March तक देख लेते हैं. According to the books, I am having the 5 SEs. But while checking the physical verification, physical verification of assets, everybody knows. While physical verification of asset or stock, I find one of the SE has been theft by the, like lost by the fire. So only 4 ACs are there, but in a tally, it is showing me the 5 ACs. And client gave me the clarification, one of the AC is lost by the fire. Then in that case, you have to pass the physical stock voucher. First of all, there is a shortcut key here. Alt F10, F10, then physical stock. How many ACs you are finding? Only 4. So just type here the 4. Then you will get the 4 ACs. See, display more reports. Oh, sorry, stock summary. Then you are having 4 ACs. Previously, you are having 5 AC. But now it is 4 AC. Why it is 4 AC? Because one is lost by the fire. One AC is lost by the fire. So you can book the loss. You can book the loss. Is it? Is it? Answer, please. Physical stock. Please take the physical stock voucher. How I passed the physical stock and what exactly the physical stock. Okay. Physical stock is clear. Yes, actually. Bipasa, yes, correct. While checking the like physical verification, normally it will always be lower than actual. it's not necessary all the time, but sometimes we find. Sometimes we find maybe because of the story or like because of the like loss by fire or anything else. So you have to pass the physical stock voucher. Okay. Okay. Now you can check the physical stock register. Statement of accounts, inventory books, then physical stock register. See, we passed the one physical stock. Is it? What is a stock general? We learn now. We learn it. What is a stock general? What is a stock general? Please answer the question. What is stock general? What is it? Stock general. Rishikesh, Aditya, Shahid Raja. What is stock general? We passed it during the sessions. Now, stock general is a voucher which is used for the transfer of material. Okay. I already gave you the understanding of manufacturing, job order. So many times I used it. Okay. Now the next is, we already have seen all the reports. All the reports we already have seen. And from here, GST utility, you can set the rates. You can set the rates. By default, because we already passed the 18% in the company level. So it is taking the 18%. Is it? Then stock items. You can check from here. On stock items, how much rates is applied. And we already learned the concept of the classification. According to the classification, you can set. So it is showing you the concept of tax. What is the rates for each and every item? Okay. Stock groups. GST rate 28%, 12%, then 5%, 18% and nil rate. This is a very important report. Every time we need, na, this is very important. Okay. Then mapping. I told you about the map. What is mapping? What is mapping? Presently, we have the NO, that is number, and we have mapped with NOS numbers. If we are not mapping it, then return will not show. Then correction needed, it will ask the correction needed. Okay, for example, I'm not mapping here. Presently, you can check my return. Okay, here is return. The return is there. No correction is there. But suppose in case I haven't mapped the UQC. Okay. Then effective date will be 1st to 4/25. Then see, like in every my return, the errors will be there. Here is certain transaction correction needed. And then it is showing me UOM is not mapped of unit of manufacturing is not mapped with UQC. I should map it. NO, enter. Then effective date 1/4/25. This is the way how you can correct your returns. Okay. The next is validate GSTN. Validate parties. Like for example, you only want to validate the sundry party, creditors. All right. Then you can validate from here. Where is the details? From internet. It will extract the details from the internet. See, active, regular, because I already have taken the details of the like Geo and the Tata. Okay. Is it? See, it is the Tata Motors, Gazipur. Okay. Next is create party using GSTN number. You can create the party directly from here also. Then other reports. Reverse charge supplies. We haven't passed the entry, I think so. Reverse charge supply. No, in the, here it is not there. It is input get we have now in the month of purchase from unregistered dealer, then purchase from unregistered input credit. We already booked it every time. Is it? Okay. Annual computation I already gave you. Or and afterward, in the at the end, you can pass the email bill also. See? Correction needed. There is no correction needed. Is it? MSME. This is not covered. We haven't covered this. And you already, you want how many optional vouchers are there? Now, cancelled vouchers. Sometimes, you know, one voucher you passed by mistake. Okay, you passed one entry by mistake. For example, Alt F2, first 4 to 31st 3. And F4, I'm opening here the payment. So I'm having 5 payment entry. Now the thing is that one of the payment entry I want to delete it. So if I deleted the one entry, so no record will be there. So instead of that, use cancel voucher, all text. See, if you deleted it, then no record will be there. But you should cancel it. And before canceling, you should mention the note, like note. Is it? Is it clear? Anybody have some doubt regarding the cancel voucher? What Vibhasha? Vipasha? IGST, CAG, SGST, what you want to ask? Like, give me the just raise the question in a clear and concise way, right? Is it clear? Vipasa? Okay. Now the next is banking entry. First of all, you should check the banking entry, then we will take on the banking. Okay, we will move on the banking. Now, day book. Then F4. Now, payment, because see, in a payment, we haven't used the bank. Okay, so I'm going to create a one bank account. I should check the ledger of the bank. Should I have? No, I'm not having the bank account. So I'm going to create a one bank account. Okay. From here, you can set the account number, IFSC code, and your check numbers also, no? Your checkbooks details also. I'm not setting here. Now, suppose I passed some entries through bank. By mistake, it is closed. Okay. Now, all the entries, whatever the cash related entries, I should open the cash related entries. Yeah, I'm having the 3 entries. Only 3 entries I'm in, so I'm not. Should open another company. Okay. Now, these are the entries I'm having. In all the entries, I want the payment should be made by the bank. So first of all, then here, Bank of Baroda. Right now, the this payment is also from the Bank of Baroda. Then receipt. This should be through the Bank of Baroda. Okay. Payment. Bank of Baroda. Receipt. Bank of Baroda. Then, okay. Now, I want reconciliation, bank reconciliation. What is a bank reconciliation? What is the meaning of the bank reconciliation? What is the meaning of the bank reconciliation, please? Anybody have some idea regarding the bank reconciliation? Cancel voucher repeat. Cancel voucher, the shortcut key for the cancel voucher is Alt X. If you deleted the voucher Alt D, then there is no record of the deleted voucher. But if you cancel the voucher, then you will have the record of the cancel voucher, because before the canceling, you should enter the narration. Then it will show you the cancel voucher. You can check the narration in the cancel voucher. But in the deleted entry, you cannot check the narration. Okay, Alt X is a shortcut key. Finding the reasons between, yes, very good. Bank reconciliation is what? If you have the bank passbook and in your books, bank account is also there. But if you find the difference between the bank passbook and your bank book, whatever is in it is in your accounts, then you have to make the reconciliation. Now, what reconciliation means? To set the date according to the bank passbook. Okay, so here is a banking, then bank reconciliation, then bank reconciliation. So here is a balance as per the books 76,650 and reconcile. Unless until you don't have the you don't make the reconciliation, then it is known, it is giving you the message this is unreconciled transactions. You have to manage the dates now. Then here you should mention the reconciliation. So here is a Alt R, then CGST, you paid the CGST, SGST by bank. So what is the date for like clearing the check or in the bank? 25. So now it is, see, now 65,250 is adjusted. So now it is giving me expected bank balance 65,250. Available only in books 2,18,000, 76,100 in balance as per the company books. So you should set the dates 26, then 27. It is also clear. 27. It is also clear. And 29. It is also clear. But this is not clear. Whatever the payment you received through the Dennis Motors, still it is in clearing house, or it is pending to deposit in the bank. So you can find here the difference. Now Control A. See. Now you want the previously reconciled voucher, then F12. Then show narration, everything you should show. Is it? Even, if you have the bank statement online, then you can import and you can reconcile it. You can report and you can reconcile it. Is it? Then you reconcile. Is it clear? So this is the reconciliation. Then bank data you can import from here. Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda. Check printing, check registered, post dated summary. No post dated is there now because we passed that entry with cash. Okay, is it clear? Last is dashboard. I already told you about this. You can insert one more tile here. This is one chart is known as a tile. This is known as a tile. You can move from here to here. See. Even you can delete it. For delete, remove tile. For adding the tile, add tile. Okay. Remove tile. Is it clear? So dashboard is a very important report. It is only available in Tele Prime. Previously, it was not there. The option was not there. Now, please raise the question. Whatever the questions are there. First of all, related to Tele. You have any question related to Tele? Any question related to Tele? Any question? Any question, please? You have 2 days to submit the assignments. Okay. Tuesday and the like Wednesday is the last date. Fine. Any question regarding the Tele? I don't know when will be your exam happen, because you should ask this question to your directly to the institute by sending the mail. Okay. Anybody have some doubt? Ma'am, Global Superstore 2016 will file. Yes, I told you in the first session. Tele Capital is we can take the loan from the Tele website. But for that, there is so many formalities. Tele Capital. See, pre-credit report, then eligibility check, unsecured loans. You can take the loans, eligibility check, then credit reports will be monthly update will be the full. Then loan application, you can submit the loan application. Fine. Then they will contact with you, no? See, you can, okay, about Tele Capital. Improve credit worthy, get your credit report, upfront loan eligibility. Then you can find out the loan eligible, you are eligible for loan or not. Then easy application process, multiple lenders, like so many lenders are there for the loan, data privacy and security. Is it? And then here is an option, get a call back. Then definitely the tele coordinator will give you the call. Okay. Then loan EMI calculator. It is the same as the okay. See, we already have seen in the Excel. So I'm going to give you the clarification. Loan rate, then time. Okay, now the loan is 10 lakh rupees. Rate is 7.5%. Time is 120. Then is equal to PMT. Same you will get here, huh? Divide by 12, comma, n per, comma, 0. Okay, 11,870 you can find here. 10 lakh, then 7.5%, then 120. Okay, 4 years, not 10 years. See, 11,870.18. 11,870.18. You can check from the, like, you can cross check now. It's equal to this multiplied by this. This will be your total payment. See, 14 lakh 24. Then is equal to, first of all, ABS. Then minus the interest will be 24,421. Yeah, right. We already learned the lots of things, you know. These are the very useful things. So whatever the sessions I have taken now, they all sessions are very important. And thanks to your institute is planned, and this training is a very good training, you know. This is a very important training. Very important training. Okay. Check credit score. You want to check, see, mobile number and PAN number. Then you will check the credit score from here. Because see, you are connected with the net now. Is it clear now? Everything is compulsory. Don't raise the query again and again. How to transfer the tele file to email? Oh, it's a very easy question. See, first of all, you have to take the backup data, then backup. I'm supposed for the branch exercise, I'm taking the backup. Okay, then end of list. Now the backup will be stored on C colon Kavita. Then I should check C colon Kavita. The backup is there, see. Okay, by the date modified. See, this is the backup. 8448. Means my date. 252. I have taken this backup. Now open your Gmail account. I'm going to open my Gmail account. Go to the mails. Then compose here. Okay, then compose. Then I told you about this email ID. Then take the attachment. Where you stored C:/Kavita. Then Attach this one file. Okay, and then open and send it. I'm not sending it. Is it? Is it clear? Is it clear how to transfer the tally file to the email? Manager and administrator. No, administrator can create the users. Managers, you should give the rights of owners to the manager. Manager is not an administrator. Administrator and auditor are the same in Tally. Administrator and auditor both are the same in Tally. Okay, Alia? See, it varies according to the company to company. Suppose you are having a one company and you are the manager of the company. Then in that case, administrator and manager is the same. But in the Tally, as per the concept, manager and administrator both are the different person. No, you can take the backup of, like for example, I'm taking the backup now. So you can take the multiple backups. For example, this, for example, this, for example, this, for example, this, for example, this. Okay, these are the backups. Then first, I'm going to change my location. I'm going to create a one folder here. A:/Kavita/backup. Control A. Okay, so now we can check my backup folder. Okay, see, is it? So you can take the, like in once you can take the multiple backups in a one click. There is no need to take the backup again and again. In a single click, you can take the backup. Any question? Any question? Zip file format, no, you cannot send. You should not send in the zip format. Otherwise, I need to then extract it. So please don't send in the zip format. Send it in the directly backup so that I can directly restore it. No, I'll not accept the zip format. Don't send in the zip format. Send it as the Tally will generate the format. At the Tally generated the format. That's it. Backup will not open directly. If you want to open the backup, then you need to restore it. For example, suppose you send me the companies. So how I will open? There is an option of restore. And where you send me? So I should select the path. See, you send me and I downloaded in my this folder. Then I should restore the data. Okay. Then after restoring it, I will have the data. So that's why I'm saying you just send me the backup files. Okay. Anything else? See, if it is manager, then M. The password should be on first letter of the user ID. Password should be the first letter of the user ID. Wednesday. Yes, everybody should mention the registration number. When you send the assignment, then please everybody mention the registration number. Okay, anything else? Anything else? Thank you, Alia. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. Anything else, please? I'm waiting. Still, we have time. If you have any question, please raise the query. See, whatever the format Tally gives you while taking the backup, just send me the same format. Do not change any kind of format, okay? Only GST and payroll is the assignment. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. GST number, I don't care about the GST number. You should enter GST number whatever you want. Last date to submit the assignment, Wednesday. Okay, Riddhi, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Raise the query, Riddhi. Okay. Tell me what doubt you have, Riddhi. Only two assignments, GST and payroll. This is the payroll exercise. Okay. Everybody, when you create the user, na, like you are creating Ajay, then A, small letter. If you are creating Vijay, then Vijay password is V, small letter. If you are creating Manish, then Manish password is M, small letter. N, like other users. Okay. So this is the first page. Just take the screenshot of these two pages. You can zoom it now. You can check zoom it now. By zooming it, you can check the assignment. Just take the screenshot, please. Only these two pages. Is it? See, when you submit the assignment, then I will check and I'll report to the head office. So how it is possible? You will send the assignment till 31st date and then I will send the report to the head office. So first of all, you should send me the assignments. Okay. I'll check and I'll give you the I'll give the feedback. Yeah, no need to send. Only the assignment send. This is this one. And one is GST exercise. Using the global superstore, just create a dashboard, build the dashboard, and whatever you want, just create like that. But slicer should be there. One slicer you should enter. And then this is the GST exercise. Just take the screenshot, please. Okay. Everything is given, rate and everything. completed? I cannot send you the mail. Mail is already sent by the head office. So that's why, because some students are saying like, ma'am, I haven't received the assignments. So that's why I told you, okay, no issue. Just take the screenshot and send it to me. If you receive the assignments from head office, then send it that assignments. Only payroll and GST. Is it? So now I think I cleared all the doubts. Meena, thank you so much. Riddhi, please make it correct, beta. Assignment you need to submit the before course completion date, na? Course completion date means what? Till that you have to complete all the things. Okay. So when you submit the assignment to me, then I'll give the feedback to the head office, na? To submit the assignments by day after tomorrow. This assignment should be completed by day after tomorrow. Is it clear? You should not change the date because all of you have the educational version. In the educational version, only 1, 2, and 31st is allowed. Okay, this is the mail ID on which you have to submit the. This is the mail ID. Please check the announcement. This is the mail ID on which you have to submit the assignment. Okay. Anybody have some doubt, please? I answered all the questions, but still you are asking the same question. Only 2 assignments are there for Tele and only 1 assignment for MS Office. Directly Excel file you should submit in the Excel, okay? In a Excel, don't change the format. Directly you should submit the file in a Excel, file of the Excel dashboard. So thank you. Thank you so much. Still, if you have doubt, then please. E-filing training it is already done, na? E-filing training. Okay, thank you, Devanshi. Thank you. Backup. Only you should send the backup of Tele, right? None other format. Okay. MS Office assignment is only dashboard. You should create the dashboard using the Global Superstore file, which is available on the net. Just download that and directly create the dashboard. So thank you so much. Thanks for the patience listening. Yes, Vipasa. So all the best to become a CMA. Soon you will become a CMA. So I'm sure all of you, when we meet together, then in front of your name, that is CMA, right? So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Bye and take care. Okay. All the best for your exams. Bye.